Well, here at Cornerstone Air, we put in high-end American standard systems. We put in 18 to 20 SEER. There's two different options. Both options are fully variable, both fully communicating, meaning that they will ramp down to a very low percentage all the way up to 100% to keep your home humidity levels right where they want to be, keep your temperature right where it wants to be all day, every day. They are today's technology that will get us into the future. With the patented Link technology, you will get fully variable, fully communicating systems. Your thermostat that we will put on the wall is almost like a miniature iPad. That thermostat will link to an app that you can use on your phone, that you can use anywhere in the world as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi.